So, you gave her space. You thought pulling back would make her realize your worth, right? But instead of missing you, she seems completely fine, maybe even happier. Now, you're stuck watching your phone, waiting for her to text, but it's radio silence. Frustrating? Absolutely. Here's the problem. Distance alone won't make her crave you. It's not just about going quiet, it's about creating a void she actually feels. If she doesn't notice your absence, it means something's missing, and that something is impact. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to flip the script so she not only notices, but starts chasing you instead. Let's break it down. Number 1. Stop being predictable. Disrupt her expectations. Silence only works if she actually feels it. If she already knows your routine, she won't miss you. She'll just assume you're waiting around, exactly where she left you. That's why you need to break her expectations. Right now, she thinks she has you figured out. She assumes you're checking your phone, hoping for a text. But what happens when you start acting completely differently? When she realizes she doesn't know what's going on with you anymore? That's when she starts paying attention. Here's what to do. 1. Go silent, but stay active. Instead of disappearing into the shadows, show subtle but powerful changes. 2. Change your habits. If you always posted on social media, stop, or post something unexpected. If you never posted much, start sharing glimpses of an exciting life. 3. Be seen, but not available. Show up in places she wouldn't expect. Maybe she hears from friends that you've been out, meeting new people, doing things she never imagined. That's when her curiosity kicks in. She can't miss what she still has access to. So stop being predictable. Make her wonder. Number 2. Create an emotional void. Make her feel the shift. Women don't miss a person. They miss how that person made them feel. If she felt excitement, admiration, or challenge around you, she'll crave that energy when it's gone. But if you were just there, she won't feel the loss at all. So here's the key. Level up. Not for her, for yourself. Instead of waiting, get busy. Not just surface level distractions, make actual progress. Hit the gym, but don't just lift weights, transform. Learn something new that excites you. Chase an ambition that gives you purpose. When you do this, your energy shifts, and energy is contagious. The next time she sees you or hears about you, she won't recognize the guy she thought she had figured out. That's when she starts questioning everything. Number 3. Make your absence a presence. Silence shouldn't just be the absence of words, it should be the presence of transformation. When someone is used to a certain level of attention, they subconsciously expect it to continue. The moment that rhythm is broken, their mind starts filling in the blanks. Most people assume she'll immediately notice your absence and panic, but in reality, it takes time. At first, she might not care, or she might even feel relieved. She tells herself she expected this. But as time passes, an echo starts to form. She might hear a song that reminds her of you, pass by a place you used to go together, or randomly see your name pop up somewhere. Then one day, she checks social media and sees something that stops her in her tracks. You look different, not just physically, but there's a shift in your energy. You look happier, more confident, more in control of your life. That's when the emotional void starts to hit. She starts questioning whether she misjudged things, but the key here is patience. You're planting a seed, not setting off a firework. The more you focus on yourself, the more that echo grows in her mind. And when she finally starts feeling that emotional weight, that's when she truly starts missing you. Number 4. Detach and watch the attraction flip. There's a massive difference between wanting someone and needing them. When you need her validation, she can feel it, even in your silence. But when you cultivate true emotional detachment, she starts to feel your absence in a way she never expected. Detachment isn't about pretending not to care. It's about actually reaching a place where you are genuinely happy with or without her. It's about knowing that no matter what happens, you'll be fine. When you stop seeing her as the prize and start treating yourself as the prize, the dynamic shifts. Most guys use silence as a trick to win her back, but if you're still secretly obsessing over whether she notices, she can sense it. That completely kills the effect. So how do you truly detach? You shift your entire focus away from her and onto yourself. You start building a life that's so full, so rich with experiences and goals that she stops being the center of your thoughts. And that's when she starts feeling it. She starts wondering, did I make a mistake? Did I underestimate him? When she realizes you're no longer waiting for her, that's when attraction flips in your favor. The moment you no longer need her, she starts to feel the pull. Number 5, when she reaches out, stay in control. At some point, curiosity will take over. She'll check your social media, ask mutual friends about you, or even send you a message. This is the moment most guys screw up. They respond too eagerly, instantly undoing all the progress they made. The moment you act overly excited or immediately available, she gets confirmation that you were just waiting around. That reassurance kills any intrigue. Instead, when she reaches out, stay composed. Keep your response short, positive, and intriguing. If she asks, "What have you been up to?" don't give her a full update. Say something simple yet mysterious like, "Just focusing on some exciting things right now," and leave it at that. The less information you give, the more she wants to know. Let her wonder. Let her feel like she no longer has full access to you. The goal isn't to be cold, it's to show her that your life is moving forward with or without her. That shift in energy makes her question her decision, and that's where the real power lies. Number 6, the right way to reconnect. Let's say she starts reaching out more often, or you find yourself in a situation where you could reconnect. Most guys make the mistake of either rushing in too fast or acting too distant. You don't want to do either. The key? Casual confidence. You need to approach her like you're catching up with an old friend, not like a guy who's been waiting for this moment. If she reaches out, keep the conversation light and fun. If you run into her, don't make it a big deal. Just let her see the new version of you naturally, without forcing anything. If she asks how you've been, don't dump your emotions on her. Instead, say something intriguing like, "Life's been good, been working on some exciting things," and leave it at that. Let her curiosity do the work. The less you try to prove anything, the more she'll feel the shift in your energy. And here's the interesting part, by the time she starts feeling drawn back in, you might not even want her back anymore. Because in the process of leveling up, you'll realize something powerful. You never needed her. You just needed to rediscover yourself. The moment you stop chasing, you shift the power. She'll feel it. She'll wonder why you're no longer reaching out, no longer waiting, and that uncertainty will make her think about you non-stop. But here's the key. Don't just pretend to move on. Actually do it. Focus on yourself. Build a life that makes you excited to wake up every day. When she comes back, it won't be because you begged or played games. It will be because you became someone she can't ignore. And by then, the real question is, will you even want her back? If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more insights that put you in control of your own life. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.